Hi friends, I'm Ella and welcome back to the Tech Tricks channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a table of content to your document. If you have a long text, a table of content will help you to take a quick look on topics and read them by clicking on each topic directly. Okay, let's see. Here I have an article which has titles and subtitles. All these titles have normal text styles, and you can see other styles in this section. For adding a table of contents that link to specific areas of your document, you should change the format of each title and subtitle to a heading style. You should notice that each heading style is acted differently in the table of contents, such as the heading 1 style defines a top-level title in the table of contents. Heading 2 shows subsections and appear in the table under the preceding heading 1 style. Heading 3 is a subsection of heading 2, and so on. Let's convert all titles to heading 1 and subtitles to heading 2. I highlight the abstract word. Now in the style section, I choose heading 1 and apply heading 1. I can use the Ctrl-Alt-1 shortcut key either. As you can see, the abstract word appeared here and changed to heading 1, but the format changed too. I use these options to have my desired format. Let's do it again for keyword. Again, I change the style to heading 1. And I use the paint format option to have the same format as abstract. I go on and do this for the whole document. Okay, I have headings for my document. If you notice, I have a section, subsection, and sub-subsection here. How do I do this? Let's go to the section. As you can see, I changed the title to heading 1 and subtitle to heading 2 and the subtitle to heading 3. Now it's time to add the table of contents to the document. Go to the beginning of the text and add a page break. So I go to the Insert tab, then Break, and Page Break. You can use the Ctrl-Enter shortcut key either. I type the title, table of contents, now in the Insert tab, I have a table of contents which I can use a table of contents with page numbers or blue links. First, let's see with blue links. The table of contents is automatically created. To go to each title page, easily click on the title. Now click on the blue link. If you do any edits to your document and need to update your table of contents, you should click the Update Table of Contents button, which looks like a refresh button. If you want to have a table of contents with page number, you can easily choose Table of Contents with page number on Insert tab. Alright, to learn how to add a table of contents to your Google Docs. If you like this tutorial, please hit the thumbs up and do subscribe in case you're not subscribed yet. Thanks for watching. Have a good time.